Welcome to Integrazo. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Elementor Form with Zoho Desk using the Integrazo plugin. Form submissions will be automatically created as tickets in Zoho Desk. No coding required. Let's get started. The plugin download link is available in the description below. Download the plugin and install it on your WordPress website. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see a Zoho Desk menu in your WordPress dashboard, as shown in this video. Now, click on the Add Account button to connect your Zoho Desk account. Enter an account name to identify this connection. Then select the appropriate data center for your Zoho account. I'll select zoho.com. Finally, click Authenticate to authorize and connect your Zoho Desk account. You'll now be redirected to Zoho's authorization page. Here, Zoho asks you to grant Integrazo permission to access your Zoho Desk account. This authorization is required for the plugin to access and manage records in your Zoho Desk account. Check the box to allow access, then click Accept to continue. Your Zoho Desk account has now been connected successfully. You can view the connected account in the Accounts tab. If you need to make any changes later, simply click Edit to update the account settings or Delete to remove the account. Now, let's move to the Setup tab and create our integration. Here, click on the Add Integration button to create a new integration. First, provide a name for your integration. Next, select your Elementor form from the Form dropdown. Choose the connected Zoho Desk account. Finally, select the department where you want new tickets to be created. Once you've selected the department, we can proceed to the next step. Now, the field mapping section will appear. On the left side, you'll see the form fields, and on the right side, you'll see the corresponding Zoho Desk fields. Simply map each form field to the appropriate Zoho Desk field. For the status field, click the information icon to view the list of allowed values. Then, copy the appropriate status value and use it while configuring the mapping. In this tutorial, I'll use Open as the status. You can choose whichever status best suits your requirements. Once you've completed the field mapping, you can proceed with the remaining integration settings. If needed, you can use the Filter Criteria option to create tickets only for specific form submissions. Simply select a field, choose a condition, and enter the required value. Only submissions that match the defined criteria will be sent to Zoho Desk. Once everything is configured, click Save Mapping to complete the integration. The integration has been saved successfully and is now active. Your Elementor Forms submissions will be automatically created as tickets in Zoho Desk according to the configured field mappings. Integrations will be listed. You can manage each integration using the available options. Use the toggle button to enable or disable the integration, or use the Edit and Delete actions to make changes when needed. Next, click on the Logs tab at the top. Here, all your integration logs are listed. You can review the synchronization status, view log messages, and check when each activity was recorded. Use the available filters to quickly find specific logs and monitor your Zoho Desk integrations. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to check the plugin link in the description.